Welcome back everyone. Today we will be learning how to remove pattern lock on Android. A very simple process. Not only does this method remove pattern locks, it also removes passcodes. As we can see, I have a pattern lock on my phone. Let's say I want to remove it so I can easily access my phone. So we are going to do just that. Just make sure to follow every step that I make and will be done in no time. To remove pattern lock, all you have to do is go to your phone settings. After opening your phone settings, the next thing we have to do is look for fingerprints and passwords. Just tap on fingerprints and password. Once you have tapped it, your phone will ask you for your password for security purposes. Just put in your password and you'll be granted access on fingerprints and passwords. Please take note that my phone automatically makes the screen black for security purposes. Once you are inside the fingerprints and passwords, I want you to scroll down and look for lock screen password. Now let us tap lock screen password and just enter your password again. Once you are inside screen lock, I want you to choose and tap none. And after doing so, if you have a fingerprint registered on your phone or Face ID, your phone will remind you that after selecting none as your screen lock, it will delete fingerprints or Face ID. If you are fine with that, just tap continue. And we are done. Now we have successfully removed our pattern lock. So if we see, once I close my phone and turn it on again, there is no passcode or pattern. Now you know how to remove pattern lock on your smartphone. If you want to watch more videos like this one, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell so you'll be notified on our new videos. Thank you for watching.